When I think of Megan Fix, I think of Wonder Woman. She is just the whole package. She is very passionate about educating learners. She's a strong voice for women in medicine and a national leader in education. She is one of our most compassionate caregivers in the emergency department and is really just loved by staff and patients. And, you know, last but not least, she's a rock star mom.
I first met Megan when she was interviewing me for a fellowship. Megan made me feel important and special, even just in an interview. And I met her and I knew that she was somebody special and that I wanted to work with her more. In the first minutes, you know exactly that she is different than other people. She just brings such energy and positivity to everything, and she has a very can-do spirit.
I think the main thing that Megan does that not as many people are able to do is that she's always invested. And she shows that she cares for every student that she talks to, every resident that she talks to, and even every faculty member that she talks to. I've seen residents go to Dr. Fix specifically around issues around depression. I think that her normalizing these kinds of struggles are the kinds of things that make people feeling more open to her and more open to getting help, which I think is crucial in our current environment around burnout and depression associated with being a physician.
Megan has all these lovely titles, and the first time I read her CV, I almost fell over because it was so many pages and she's done so much. But Megan in a social setting honestly is even more fun to introduce her because Megan's just my friend, and I'm really lucky to get to call her friend. And I love every time, I love every time that we get to go to lunch or I call her because I just want to, catch up on something or I'm having trouble with something. She's just always there.
Megan, on behalf of the emergency medicine faculty, we just want to let you know how proud we are of you, of everything you've accomplished, and want to thank you for all the lives that you have touched. This is so well deserved. Congratulations, Dr. Megan Fix.
My name is Megan Fix. I am an emergency medicine physician and the Assistant Dean of Student Affairs at the Spencer Fox Eccles School of Medicine at the University of Utah. And I am the 2023 Distinguished Service Award recipient. One of the most important things to me in medicine and in life is connection. And that starts with connection with yourself and then connection with loved ones, your colleagues, and patients. And I connected with a medical student quite a few years ago now, and she and I helped formulate one of the talks that I gave to the medical students through the Real MD program. I was vulnerable with her, she was vulnerable with me. We talked about her career development, her growth, and shed some tears and many hugs. And at one point along the way in this mentorship journey we had, I said to her, the hard work is the good work. Because I really feel that in challenge there is strength and we all can grow together. We all went to her wedding, which was just delightful. And she said those words during the wedding in her vows. The hard work is the good work. It just really highlighted to me that I think that in medicine and in life, connection is so important. Thank you so much to the University of Utah Alumni Association for this incredible honor. Thank you also to my colleagues who put me up for this award, to my countless patients who have taught me so much, to the learners that I've worked with, my residents and medical students, and especially to my family, my husband, and my 3 kids. I am so grateful for this award and for all of you.